guys, I just ordered some supplies from a new to me store that's in Canada, and woo, there's lots of pretty things in here. So if you'd like to see what I got to get my craft on, stick around. Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by. Today's haul is a little different from a lot of my other hauls because this is a store that I've never ordered from. It is an online store. I ordered from their online site. It's R&R Scrapbooking. They are based in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And I was searching online for specific colors of ink refills for several of my ink pads, and I was just having a hard time finding certain colors until I hit the jackpot with R&R Scrapbooking, and I was like, oh, I've never heard of this place. I've never shopped there, and I'm sorry that I'm late to the game, but I was very pleased to see the prices of their products. The fact that they had all the inks I was looking for was the best thing. The prices were good, or are good, I should say. And the service, wow, great service. They called me to ask a few questions to make sure about things I had put in my order, and also to offer me free shipping, which I said yes. And also because they are in Alberta and I'm in Ontario. So in Alberta, there's a sales tax that they don't have to pay. In Ontario, we have to pay the sales tax, but not in Alberta. So I was able to save a whole bunch of money, like $30. Because of that. And so I'm so appreciative that they took the time to call me to help me out with that. So here's my pizza box. I'm calling it a pizza box because what's in here is, and it is a pizza. It's a 12-inch pizza box. Look at that. Cute. And what's in here is ever so yummy. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, this is what I got. So everything was well packaged. Everything arrived in perfect condition. No issues there. And as you can tell from my invoice here, they do, it is a hands-on operation. And there's a lot of notes here on what was available, what was on back order, and all that stuff. So lucky for me, I got everything except for one item, and that is not their fault. That is because Ranger is out of this one color of ink that I needed. So, okay. And look at that, they added a little mint lifesaver, which is perfect right now because for some reason, my throat feels kind of dry. However, I'm not going to have a candy in my mouth while I am talking to you. So, okay. These are all the yummy things I ordered. Now, as I said, I wanted some re-inkers for my many of my ink pads for stamping. And I like to, usually, I try to buy a re-inker with my ink pad when I buy an ink pad, if that's possible. But sometimes the re-inker is not available or whatever. So I have a few ink pads that I've neglected, that it is my fault, and they are in need of a little bit of ink to get them working well, let's just say they're not destroyed ink pads. They're still good. But to get the optimal working conditions of them, they could use a little refresher right now, a little bit of ink. So the inks I wanted to get were, oh, there's so many inks that I needed for various ink pads. I needed some for my Dilutions ink pads. And I wanted to replenish, which one did I want to replenish? I wanted to replenish the Calypso Teal, Bubblegum Pink, and the Black Marble. So that was something I ordered. Also in my Distress Archival ink pads, the Black Soot and the Peeled Paint. So those are the Tim Holtz Distress inks. And this was not, oh, another one that I needed was in the Distress ink, Archival ink, or Distress, yeah, the Distress ink, the Hickory. I did not have that one. So, and mind you, I've had my Distress ink pads for maybe 16 years. I'm not kidding. I've had them for 16 years. So the fact that I am now needing some re-inkers for them probably tells you how long these pads have lasted, and I take care of them, so they still work very well. So Hickory Smoke was one of the colors I needed, and the other colors I was in need of were the Wild Honey. That's a beautiful, beautiful yellow. Dirty Martini. Oh, that's a Dilutions. I was going to say, that's not a Tim Holtz. Dilutions Dirty Martini. That's a green. It's a fun green. Another Distress ink, the Ground Espresso. And the, Vintage Photo. Now, Vintage Photo. This is not my first time buying the re-inker. This is probably the Distress ink that I use the most. So, yeah, this one I do have the re-inker, but there's not much left of it because I use it a lot. So, and then, and I really wanted worn lipstick. I love worn lipstick. That's another one of my really favorites in the Distressed inks, and I never had got the re-inker for that one, so I'm glad to have that because my worn lipstick is really worn, let me tell you. Okay, and because I really like, let me show you. I really like these Dilutions ink pad colors, and I have the little ones also. I really love this set, this combo. I wanted to get some of the paints that are shimmer paint. So I got the Calypso Teal, Bubblegum Pink, and Dirty Martini Dilutions shimmer paints. So very happy to have these and to play with them. I know these are different from my Distress. They're very different, but it's sometimes I feel like being really colorful in what I'm doing, and other times I'm more on the vintage style. So I need both in my life. And I do love Diane Reevely products. I like her. I love her, so I love her work, and she's a great artist. So I was able to get some stuff from Diane Reevely, Dilution stuff at R&R Scrapbooking. So R&R Scrapbooking, I will leave the links to it in the description below. It is at www.scrapbooking.ca. And some things that I had heard of, but I had not had the opportunity to play with or try out, were the Dilutions Diamond Rocks. This is a embossing system. It's basically an embossing powder, but I've heard great things about the diamond rocks and just how beautiful they are, and I thought I would give them a try. So I ordered what did I ordered the ink pad for to do the embossing ink pad, which is basically clear, and a re-inker for it because I want to try it. I have clear embossing ink pads from other companies and stuff, and I do have a clear embossing powder, and I have UT and all that, but I want to try this because it looks like a lot of fun. And I also got the Dilution stickles, and yeah, this is just, this is probably the stickles that I've used the most in all my stickles. So I thought I should get some more of that while I'm there. And it's funny because I've gotten stickles. I've had stickles for years. But now Diane Reevely has one of her own. So this one is the Dilution stickles. Got that. Okay, something I did not know until I saw this on the site. There's a Dilutions cutting mat. Measures 4.5 by 8.5 in length for precision cutting. I was like, what? It's so small, but it's perfect. I think this is perfect to leave in the art journal. Show you. Oh. This is the one that was closest to me, so don't mind. It's mucked up. So if I want to just carry around, find you white page here that's left. It's just to me, it's just handy. I can have this. I could leave it in my journal and carry it around if I want to, and then I could just bring my. This is my little carry case for around the house. So I can just have that to, I like the portability of it, but really what I really love is the pink. I love that it's pink. And the fact that it has this curvy line is excellent because I do like to make a lot of curvy lines in my art journal. So I got the ruler, the cutting aspect of it. I can cut on this, and I can draw curvy lines, straight lines, and it's pretty. So what more can I say? Oh, also there are some brushes sold to go with the diamond rocks, and they're small and they're pink. So I know I have a ton of brushes. I didn't really need to buy some more brushes, but these are so cute. They're tiny and pink. So these are and that's for like brushing off the dust, the embossing dust when you're doing the project. To go with the Dilutions Diamond Rocks, I ordered some of her stencils and stamps. This is stencil and mask set to use to make some projects. And I got this one, which is the, what's it called? Quilt. 1.5 inch quilt large. So it's like the piece of a quilt. Yeah, it might not look like as much to you here, but if you've seen Diane Reevely's projects where she does work with the diamond rocks and her stamps and stencils, you would see she has made some really fabulous like journal covers and they just look like ceramic tiles. It looks really nice. So I thought I would give that a try. So the stamp set I'm trying is the Quilts of Daisies. I limited myself to one set of stamps. You know, the stamps are not cheap, and I have so many stamps, and I keep saying I don't need more stamps, I don't need more stamps. But I thought, hey, I don't have a system. I don't have this system in all my stuff. I do not have any of this type. So I said, it's okay. This is a new system, a new technique that I'm going to play with. And I also got these stencils, the Ranger Dilution Small Stencils. This one is the Honeycomb. It's small. And this one is the Diamonds Are Forever. It's also the small one. These are great for playing in my art journals. This one, if it comes in a smaller size, I don't know. But I wanted it to play with the stamps and maybe make some of my own tiles to cover a journal, maybe. And then finally, this is a stencil set that I did not have. It's the Doodle It. So this is the 4 designs that are in there. And they're just a really nice size, again, for art journaling. And there's a kitty. Now, the kitty is not available at R&R Scrapbooking. I don't know if they have kitties there. I didn't see any on their website. Sorry, that's just my cat who has to be in every video. All right, so that is my little haul. Whoopsie. So sorry about that. So that's my little haul from R&R Scrapbooking in Canada, here in Alberta, Edmonton, Canada. And Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, my goodness. So this is my little haul from R&R Scrapbooking from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Please go check them out. And I'm really pleased with the service that I received, the quickness of the delivery of this, the prices I thought were very, very good. And it's a Canadian store, and I am so pleased to support another fellow Canadian. So I hope you check them out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a paws up, right? And like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for stopping by. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye. Kitty. Come on, kitty. Kitty. Oh, gotta shoot a thumbnail here.